What's going on, everybody? DJ Chance here. Now in today's video I'm going to be opening up and trying out the virtual vinyl from Mile High DJ Supply in Colorado. Let's take a look. Let's not cut too deep and damage the vinyl. That would suck. And not cut my fingers off either. It'll do wonders for engagement though if that would happen. Alright, I'm excited. Once I saw these I knew I had to have them. Alright, you ready? Alright, let's see. Let's pull that off. Dun dun dun! Visual Vinyl Volume 2. Chris Karns and Mile High DJ Supply. Let's throw that box over there. Let's get rid of that. And now I have to try them out. Let's see, we have numbers. 2, we have drums. And Ah Fresh. You know the Ah song, all us DJs. That haunts our dreams. Yeah, that's a good looking piece of vinyl. Now here's the thing with this and why I'm excited about it and why I think it's awesome. Each one of these waveforms on this record, including the numbers, they all mark where the sound is that you're trying to do. Like if you start from here, you're going to hear 1. You start from here, you're going to hear 2. You start from here, you're probably going to do fresh just because how long that thing is right there. I'm assuming it's that. And this is probably their, but I could be wrong. Let's give it a shot. Oh, it's so pretty. I love colorful things like this. And also here you can see that they've marked out a spot. And I love that they actually put a circle around here to represent when we used to put those colorful little dot stickers all over our battle records. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Love it. Love it, love it. Love that I can just drop it like we used to. I love the way it looks. Let's start right here from this waveform. We're going to get a sound. There's the snare. There's the beginning of your bass drum. You can't needle drop any easier than this. I mean, come on, you gotta love it. Let's put the beat on. So I know this is our bass, I believe. Let me see if I got that right. Yep, the red is the first bass drum. Little snare, another bass drum, a hi-hat. Alright, let's check this out. What I really love, it's not just that it looks nice, I mean it's actually really useful because I know that I have this entire stretch of that beat right there. I have it from there all the way to there, so that gives me, I don't know how many minutes, I'll have to time it. And the other side is white. Yeah, I wasn't sure what color I ordered, I forgot, because it comes in 3 different colors. You can have an all black record, you can have the white record, or you can have a see-through record. I almost got the see-through, but I didn't want the slip mat showing underneath the record. I feel like that'll be more distracting, more things to see through the vinyl. I mean, I could be wrong about that, but I just figured I'll go with this one. And it was the white one. I love that you can just drop this anywhere and get.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So yeah, if you want to get a set of these, you can get them off of the Mile High DJ Supply's website. You'll find them on Facebook at Mile High DJ Supply, and I really like what they did with this. This is the second version, and so far I really like it. I love that they gave where the label would be different colors. I mean, you really could mark everything by eye. And it would take a roll of stickers to have to do that back in the 90s, man. So I am very happy with what I have here. So that's it. Just a quick video to show you what I got, what it does, who to get it from. The information that they give on the record sleeve, it says numbers 1 through 8. Drums, it's 6.66 beats per minute. So you got evil beats going on there. Shout out to my man DJ Evil D, now that I say that. And, you know, of course, the obligatory and the fresh. One more thing I forgot to mention was these records are not control records for any DJ software on the planet. This is just a regular vinyl record with sounds on it like we used to do back in the days. Just in case anyone was wondering if these were control records or not and the sounds were in the laptop. My laptop here is closed. You see GoldenEye sitting right there. So that's it. Enjoy. I want to thank everybody for all the love and positivity I get on this channel. We built a nice little community here. And if you're one of the few who haven't subscribed yet and you found usefulness in this or any other one of my videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I place a new video on YouTube. Now go out there, you master, and make money.